Hi guys, this is Chris. As CBD becomes more prevalent, we find Axis products being compared to those that call their products hemp extract. It does not say CBD anywhere on the package. Oils, creams, gummies, they look an awful lot like CBD products, but they just say hemp extract. So, is hemp extract CBD? And the answer is, I don't know, maybe. The hemp plant is super cool, and many different things can be extracted from it. So think of hemp extract as a category, not an ingredient. This is an 8.4 ounce bottle of hemp oil. I bought it for $10 at my local specialty grocery store. It does not do anything CBD does, but it is great for a lot of other things, like cooking. It's also hemp extract. To make it more exciting, what if I told you that it was 238,000 milligrams of hemp extract for $10? Oh man, what a sweet deal. And the question to ask is this what is in those hemp extract products? Something to think about. Let me give you another example. Imagine you needed brake pads for a 2015 Jeep Grand Cherokee. You need a very specific part to address a very specific problem. Would you go to the store and buy a box that says car part? You have no idea what car part even is. It could be a very expensive part, it could be a very cheap part, but most importantly, you have no idea if it's brake pads for a 2015 Jeep Grand Cherokee. That's how silly this is. If you're looking for CBD, odds are you need it for a very specific reason. Personally, I would not assume anything. It should say the exact amount of CBD it contains on the package. It should also have a QR code linked to a third-party test result showing the potency of the CBD matching the lot number of the product you are considering. When choosing your CBD, it's important that you choose from a brand that makes it easy for you to know about as much of the product you are taking as possible. That's why first and foremost, we are always here to answer your questions, either over the phone or by chat on our website. Secondly, we make it simple for you to see the third-party test results for the actual product you are taking. Scan the QR code on any of our CBD products using your phone. Scroll down to the product name and then the corresponding lot number found on the bottom of the bottle. Lastly, we back up every product with a 100% guarantee so you can feel confident in choosing Axis Labs. If this video was helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for updates and education. Find us on Facebook and Instagram and visit our online store at axislabscbd.com. See you next time.